Alright, what's going on everybody? So today we're going to be unboxing this big box that I got in the mail today. Been waiting for this for a couple of weeks. I ordered it around Black Friday week. It was a good deal and I was going to get it either way, so I saved a couple $100. So let's get into the unboxing. Right now I'm just I'm finished uploading or editing the video that I'm about to post up about the car. If you already haven't seen it, you should check it out. Should be up today. It's Monday today. Should be up today. So let's I'm gonna open the box real quick, take off all the tape, and then we'll get to the unboxing. I really hope I'm opening it right. Hopefully this isn't upside down. Alright. So this is what I got right here. It's a kit for the Integra. If you could tell what it is right here. Let's just move everything. Let's see. Let's start off with the little boxes. Let's start off with this one. So, unboxing within unboxing within boxes. Let's see what this could be. Damn, this knife is dull. Quick. You can see right there is the right there. Ooh, red. So yeah, I got a turbo kit. Damn, this is nice. Let's see right there. Tile. Focus. Right there. It's the first piece. Damn, how did this go? Like this. Here's the flange piece, I think. Here's for the flange. So that's one box. I believe this is the MVS. Should be the wastegate. Not even sure. That's one box. Got a turbo kit, man. What the hell? What is this? A shirt? Hey, it better be my size. They better know I'm fat. Shit, let me see this. Hopefully it's a large. Yeah. Damn, they know my size. So let me see. I don't even know if the camera's picking it up. This is the back right here. This is a Go AUTOWORKS turbo kit, street kit for the Integra. Right there. It says AUTOWORKS. That's nice. So put that to the side. Let's continue with the unboxing. Let's get this next box right here, which I'm guessing is gonna be the wastegate. I think what we unboxed right now was the blow-off valve. This should be the wastegate. Does it say? Oh no, this is the blow-off valve. This is the wastegate. I'm dumb. I don't know about turbo parts. I just buy a kit. And then I am gonna need way more parts after this. I'm not gonna be putting this on for a while, especially with the Integra, with the crash that just happened, so it's gonna set me back. So this is it right here, both in red. Damn. Looks pretty nice in red. I'm not even showing you in the camera. Right there, tile to match it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this blow-off valve or not, because I have a blow-off valve over there already that I bought, because originally I wasn't gonna get a kit. I was gonna just try to piece it together. So I have the HKS Super SQV4 blow-off valve over there. You can see the HKS box. I bought that separately online. Okay, I'm gonna leave them right here. This is the wastegate. That's the two pieces I have so far. Oh shit, what is this? Tape. Oh shit. Rip. Did it go like this? Or like this? Leave it like that. There's two of the boxes already so far. I really like that color. Damn. Next box. I think this is the big boy box right here. That's what everyone wants to see. So, put the camera down. So, the turbo that I got with this is right here. Precision turbo. It's I forgot what it is. I think it's like a 4831B. So let's open this up. Alright, I got a sticker for the car. I'm not gonna put it though. Gotta be sleeper, you know. Sleeper mode. Just put it inside. Oh man. This is it right here. Should I take it out? Of course I should. Comes with a couple of what is this? Something. Where's the knife? Shit, if I'm crashing stock already, shit, just wait for this. Oh man. Come on. It's a pretty decent sized turbo right here. If you could see it. Let's see. Right here. Here's the other side over here. 4831B. Should spool up pretty decently. And then what else? You got all the piping right here. It's probably the down pipe. Damn, that room's tiny. I believe that's the down pipe. This is the manifold, I think. So yeah, let's open this up. This was my Christmas present to myself. Very expensive Christmas present. It's just a cast iron manifold, nothing special, but these will for sure last me, because most of those fancy looking ones won't last. They'll end up cracking under the heat. Just a regular cast iron. This is it right here. So what else? We got all the clamps right here. More piping. Some hoses. I don't know what these are for yet. Look at that. See if I could focus on it. All made right there with Go AUTOWORKS. Couplers. This is a pure piping and the intercooler. Let's open this boy up too. Put this away. Is that it? And they wrapped them good, which is good since it was coming pretty far from where I live. Making a mess and I'm not even gonna put it on for months. So this is it right here. I like how they put the AUTOWORKS right here. It's a pretty nice little touch. Nothing too fancy. This is it right there. So we got the intercooler, the manifold, the turbo, the wastegate and blow-off valve, both tile, precision, cast iron. Got all your turbo piping. Got the couplers, got the all this right here. Oops. But yeah, this is it right here. Now you guys should stay tuned to see once I put it on, tune it. I'm still gonna end up getting like injectors, fuel pump. Not sure if I kind of want to go flex fuel, but I'm not sure yet. There's still a lot of stuff I need to do to the car. First of all, I have to fix it now. I have to get a bumper, I have to get the lights, and now I have this right here waiting to be installed. So like, subscribe, comment, and just wait on more videos that are coming for the Integra and possibly for the Civic as well. So this is it. Later.